In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Editor.wix.com. We'll walk through how to open the Wix editor, add new pages, explore the different page categories available, and publish your changes with confidence. Start by opening your site in the Wix website editor. Once the editor loads, look to the left-hand toolbar and open the Site Pages panel. If it isn't visible, hover over the icons until you see the one for pages and select it. In that panel, choose the option to add a new page. This opens the gallery of page templates and categories you can use to build out your site quickly. Begin with the Services category to add pages that showcase what you offer. Next, check out projects to display portfolios or case studies. If you need a way for visitors to reach you, select Contact to add a contact page with forms and essential details. For general use cases, open the General category. This is great for About, FAQ, or any simple content pages you might need. For marketing campaigns, pick Landing Page to create focused, distraction-free pages designed for conversions. It's also smart to prepare for broken links, so open 404 Error Page to ensure your site shows a helpful message if a visitor lands on a missing page. If you sell products, choose Store to add e-commerce pages, like product listings and a cart. For service-based scheduling, open Bookings to enable appointment pages. Restaurants can use the Restaurants category to add menus and ordering experiences tailored to food service. If you're building content, select Blog to add a blog home and post pages. Membership sites can benefit from pricing plans, which helps you create subscription or membership pages. And if your site uses collections, open Dynamic Pages to generate pages that automatically pull content from your data, saving you time and keeping everything consistent. When you're ready, confirm your choices by selecting Add Pages. The editor will insert the pages into your site's structure. Use the highlighted controls that appear to review what was added and return to the main editing canvas. This is a good moment to glance at the page list to make sure everything is there and named the way you want. You can always rename or reorder later without affecting the setup. Finally, publish your work. Click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. Wix will process your changes and push them live. If you're not ready for the public to see them yet, remember you can keep working in the editor and publish only when everything looks right. That's it. You've added pages, explored key categories,